Disney Princess Inflatable Safety Bathtub, Pink by Disney is one of the best sellers among baby bathing tubs and seats products. Safety features air-cushioned, non-slip textured surface and water temperature display. Storage, large storage pockets for easy access to soap and shampoo. Great for travel, deflates for compact storage, great for on-the-go bathing, even great for the beach. Hassle-free cleaning, simply rinse and use attached hook to air dry. Princess is the manufacturer love, features Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Tatiana and more. This Disney Princess Inflatable Baby Bathtub makes bath time magical, combining safety, comfort and fun. The air-cushioned tub features a supportive backpiece and all the basics including textured non-slip surface, water temperature display and large storage pockets for easy-to-reach soap and shampoo during the splish and splash session. When bath time is over, simply deflate and use attached hook to hang dry. Perfect for travel. Great for the beach. 100% BPA, PVC, phthalate, and metal-free and is optimal for maintaining your child's health and safety. Inflatable Disney Bathtub provides the perfect-sized environment for little ones. The air-cushioned tub includes a supportive back piece to help parents easily maneuver baby during the splish and splash session. The front of the tub includes 2 pockets to store and quickly access all bathing necessities. Attached hook allows you to easily hang to dry. Deflate for storage or travel.